In the heart of a mist-shrouded valley, an ancient castle looms, its stone walls weathered by time. This was the cradle of the forgotten Eldorian Dynasty, a civilization that once thrived amidst splendor and power, now lost to the whispers of history. As the sun sets, casting a golden hue over the landscape, the air brims with untold stories of glory and despair. Amidst this decay stands Lady Isolde, a fierce and cunning ruler, determined to reclaim her family's legacy. But shadows gather as rival factions, led by the treacherous Lord Harlan, seek to usurp her throne. The stakes are high. The balance of power hinges on Isolde's ability to unite her beleaguered allies against a common foe. As tensions rise, a betrayal unfolds within Isolde's court, leaving her vulnerable just as war breaks out. Allies turn to enemies, and the battlefield becomes a stage for the tragic consequences of ambition and loyalty. The clash of swords echoes through the valley, where ancient traditions and bloodlines collide. In the chaos, a revelation strikes. The true power lies not in the sword, but in the wisdom of unity and understanding. As the dust settles, Isolde learns that her greatest weapon is her ability to inspire hope and forge alliances, transcending the bloodshed that once divided her people. Ultimately, the Eldorian dynasty, though tarnished, begins to rise anew from the ashes of betrayal and loss. Isolde's legacy becomes one of resilience, teaching that even in the darkest times, the light of unity can illuminate the path forward. The echoes of lost civilizations remind us that history is not merely about power, but about the enduring spirit of its people.